Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 11th, and this is my market recap where we're going to take a quick look at the Euro US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely make sure you join my free trading community on Discord. The link is at the end of the video in the corner and in the description. If you would like to check out my membership, you do so on my website, fxpipcollector.com. Get you access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 per month. So anyways, we did make a pretty nice little push up today. Now we have a couple different options here. Option one is that this really is the ABC crutch, and then that this might pull back a little, but it's just going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which is definitely what I'm hoping for, is that this is a one, a two, and we just go up for a big old wave three. Definitely what we're hoping for, but sometimes what you hope for and what you get is not the same thing. We have our Fibonacci retracement on the move down. We're at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. We also have our Fibonacci extension on this wave A or 1 projected off the bottom of the B or 2. If this really is a C, the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A is a really good place for it to turn. So if it does turn down very aggressively, and then make like a big engulfing move, taking out some of these low of the previous candles, it probably would be a wave seed. It probably would end up going back down and probably making new lows on this 1 hour time frame. If it just makes a little bit of a pullback, doesn't make an engulfing move, maybe just pulls back and then turns into a spike and then ends up pushing past these Fibonacci levels, then hopefully we're looking at a wave three, and hopefully it just ends up continuing the uptrend. Tomorrow is CPI inflation data for the US, so we're going to have to see how it sets itself up for tomorrow's inflation data. So anyways, don't forget to join my free trading community on Discord, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.